Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home. So, welcome back to our 12th video session for Chapter 2 Publishing. So, have you completed your notes? If not, please complete it, okay? So, what all things which we have discussed in the previous class?
Let's have a quick review to the previous class. Only two topics we have learned. First topic was how to create table of contents, which means index table. So, what is the use of index table? By creating index table, if we click on by pressing Ctrl K, and if you click on that one index, it will take you to the main page or main contents. That was the subtopic, from table of contents to the main contents. By pressing Ctrl key, then if you click on one index, it will take you to the main page. And what was the second topic? Different styles for table of content. So you can identify one heading called content heading in the style window. If you right click on the content heading, a modify option will appear. So click on that modify option, and one style formatting window you can see. So in that style formatting window, we can change font color, font size, then font family, then background color, font color, etc. So like in this manner, we can apply different styles for the table of content. So these all are the previous class topics which we have already discussed.
Hope you all clear about our previous sessions and activities. So before moving on to today's class, let's see the objectives behind this session.
The learning objective of today's session is you will learn about preparing letter for the parents and the preparation of youth festival, and also you will learn about editing in the letter in an easy manner, so that don't want to edit the letter in separately, so that we can use a new facility called mail merge. By using mail merge facility, we can edit the letter for the parents in an easy manner. These all are the learning objective of today's session.
In today's class, you will learn about important topic called preparation of youth festival. So in this topic, it deals with three main activities. One is preparing letter for the parents, and the next one is preparing a participant's card to the participants, and the last main activity in this main topic is preparing certificate to the participants. So in today's session, we'll only going to discuss about the first topic, how to prepare a welcome letter to our parents. So in this topic, you will learn about one important activity called mail merge. So it is one of the sure question for your practical exam, mail merge. Okay. So let's start with the first activity, how we can prepare a letter to our parents. Can you just say what are the specialities we can add in this welcome letter? It will be very lovely when we are adding the parent name and their address in each of this letter. Just think, if you are adding the parent name, or if you want to edit the parent name and address in all the letters, it will be very difficult for us, isn't it? So in such cases, we can make use of mail merge. Otherwise, what will happen? We want to edit all the parent name and address in all the letters. So it will be very difficult. So in such cases, we can make use of mail merge facility. So let's start with the first activity, preparation of youth festival. In that, you are going to learn about the first topic called how we can preparing a welcome letter to your parents, and also you will learn about what is the speciality of mail merge. Okay.
So the first thing is to prepare the letter for the parents. So it will be lovely if the letter has the name and address of the parent printed in it, isn't it? But editing the letter separately for each parent is a difficult task. So in such situation, we can make use of the feature called mail merge. Okay, to include the name and address one by one in each of the file. So let's see how mail merge works. Open file, open, then from school resources standard 10, we have one letter. So before doing mail merge, first thing is we should prepare a letter format, and also we have to prepare address of making a list of addresses of all the parents in LibreOffice Calc. So these all are the first and second preparation. First we have to prepare letter for the parents, and the second thing is making a list of addresses in LibreOffice Calc software. So in our school resources, we have both the letter and also we have the address. See, address in Malayalam and letter in Malayalam, and letter in English, and addresses.ods means address of the parents in English. So address which should be prepared in Calc software, and letter you must prepare in LibreOffice Writer. After that, open this letter in LibreOffice Writer so that we can see the letter. It's only one page. See, but the addresses of the parents, we must send this letter to 40 parents. So in Calc software, we can see the address. Open school resources standard 10. If you open address.ods, you can identify 40 parents are there. Address of 40 parents. So first we have to prepare a letter, then we have to prepare address of parents. Open the letter. Then next we can perform mail merge facility. For that, go to insert option. Here in this options we can find field option. Field, maybe this field tab will be here, otherwise in bottom. So select the field option and select more field option. Here another window box will appear. There are different tabs, document, cross-reference, functions, etc. We want database tab. So click on this database. Click on this database tab, and here we can see what mail merge field. So select mail merge field. So next step is we want to make the address which we are already prepared in Calc software active, so that we must include address here. For that, go to browse the document and take school resources standard 10. Open school resources standard 10. Here we can see address.ods. Open, so that you can see the address which we are prepared in Calc software as being active. So next step is, if you click on this arrow mark, you can see sheet 1. We only prepared sheet 1. In that sheet 1 we can see the address of the parents. So if you click on this arrow mark near to the sheet 1, we can see the headings which we are prepared in Calc software: name, house name, street name, post office and pin code. So now here I want to enter the name of the parent, so that click on this place and then simply double click on this name option like this. So see, here we can see the name place to enter the name. Then next, just scroll the letter down. Here we can see two option. Here also I want to enter the name, house name, street name, post office and pin code of each parent. So that place the cursor in the place where you want to enter these all things. Then go to name, just double click. Either you can click on this insert option or just double click on this field name. Then again enter, put the cursor here and just double click on house name. You can see the change here. Again enter street name, double click on street name. Again enter, double click on post office. Again enter, then double click on pin code. So that this much only we need to study a mail merge option. So how we can open mail merge? Insert field, more field in here in this window. Click on that database. Then go to mail merge field. Then browse the document. Browse address document, and in sheet 1 we can see the headings. So place the cursor on this file and then double click on this field. Then close it. Now we want to save this document, but don't use file, save or export. What will happen if you click on file, save and export? This page like this gets saved. So that we must use file. We want 40 parents, isn't it? So that you can see the difference between these two. So we are going to print this file. So whenever you have finished this mail merge option, go to file, print option. Click on print option. Click on yes. You can see this window. Here now the printer is not active. We don't want to print this document. If you want to print, connect the printer and just go press the OK button. We want to save it as a file. So near to printer option we can see file, and here you can see the address of the parents, isn't it? So these headings you have seen in mail merge, that window, name, house name, street name, post office, pin code. So whatever headings are here, that will appear in the database of mail merge. So click on this file option, and here two options are there, save as single document and save as individual document. We want 40 files in one document. I don't want to see it as an individual document. I want it as a single document. So select this one and click on OK. So that they will ask the folder which we want to save this file. So I want to save it in desktop. Give a name. I'm giving letter mail merge. Then click on save option. So that you can see here 40 documents are being saved. After that, minimize this, and then here in desktop you can see the letter mail merge.odt. Open this in LibreOffice Writer software. See, in the name place, name has came. Then just scroll the document. Here we can see the address of first parent, and if you scroll again, next document has came. Here we can see another name of next parent, second parent, and just scroll again. Here we can see their own address, and if you scroll again, third document with another name and their address, fourth document. Like this 40 letters has came in different name and address of the parent. So this is what the use of mail merge, to include the name and address one by one in each of the page. So by using mail merge facility, it will be easy for us to send a letter to anyone. If there are 40 or more than 100 people, first we have to get the address of the parents in LibreOffice Calc. After that, if you use mail merge facility, each of the page will appear like this. Okay, so hope you are clear about mail merge facility. Otherwise, what will happen? We have to type each of the parent name and address separately, and we must save each of this document. So by using mail merge facility, every letter has its own separate name and address of the parents. Okay, now we can print this pages. Okay, so this is what the use of mail merge facility.
So you have learned about the first topic, how we can prepare a letter using mail merge facility, isn't it? So hope you all clear the first topic. So let's summarize today's class.
Let's recapitulate what we have studied today. Preparation of Youth Festival was our main topic. So in that topic, 3 activities are there. First activity is preparing letter for parents. Second activity is participant card. And third activity is certificate. So today's session, we have learned about the first activity, activity 2.7 in your textbook, preparing letter for parents. So in this activity, we have learned about one new term called mail merge. How to get mail merge? Insert, field, click on more field option. There you can find database tab, and from that click on mail merge and browse the document. We have browsed the document called address. Then click on place the cursor on the letter and just double click on the field called name, address, house name, street name, etc. So what is the use of mail merge? To include the name and address one by one in each pages. So this is what the use of mail merge facility. Then after doing this mail merge, we must click on print option in the file menu. Don't save or export it as PDF. We must print in the file from the file menu. Click on the print option and select save file option. Okay, so this is what the topic which we have discussed in today's session.
Next, I'll show you some homework. It must be done by yourself in your notebook. Okay, so I'll give some questions, one-word questions, which is discussed in today's class and previous session. So try to find out the answers from the given options and write it in your notebook. Okay.
Next, there is a homework for you. 4 questions are given and their corresponding options are also given. So read the question and find out the correct option. You must write this 4 questions as homework in your notebook. Okay, so write the answers of the questions.
Hope you all cleared today's class. So in today's session, we only have discussed one small topic, preparation of welcoming letter by the help of with the help of mail merge. So study well, take down the notes, and if you want, you can write it down the lecture notes. So it will be more helpful for you. So study well and take care. So another sessions we'll see in the next class. 2 more activities are remaining in the second lesson. One is preparing participants card and preparing certificate. So that we'll see in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.